I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm so excited to show off this Vevo Sports Travel Kids Soccer set. I love the design of this. The poles that you put together to form the goals, they snap together. Then you just slide the sleeve that is attached to the netting for the goal, and there you go, you have a goal, but it is then super easy to fold. It is kind of like how you would fold a car shade. It's super nice. It comes with this great carry case. I love the color because I have a niece and a nephew, so I wanted both of them to be able to like and enjoy using this, so I felt green was a nice neutral color that would appeal to both. It comes with everything that you need. It has pins that you can put into the ground if you are playing on grass or on dirt of some kind. It comes with the soccer ball. It comes with orange cones, so if you want to set up maybe an obstacle course. And you can also use them to set up the boundaries or the out of bounds for when you are playing. You can make it as small or as big as you would like. It is just a lot of fun. It's an easy thing that you can just set up and get a little bit of exercise. It is so well made. I absolutely love it. My niece had such a good time with it. I think your family is going to love it as my family has. And that's my point of view.